Hey y'all, my name's Harrison. I'm from Clearville, Texas, and ways that I made friends with people on campus as an out-of-state student was by consistently putting myself out there. So I would introduce myself to the people in my classes. I made sure I was sitting next to people in my classes. I went to a lot of events on campus thrown by Oasis. I would go to major specific events. So when I switched my major to international business and economics, I went to a lot of the IB events and met students with the same major and people in the department. And yeah, these small interactions of just introducing yourself and attending things can really grow your group of friends and allow you to meet a lot of new people. And then as a final tip for out-of-state people, if you wait to the first away game on that weekend, a lot of the in-state people go home and see their families. So that's a great way to get out of your dorm and connect with people also out of state or international that are looking for friends.